Hi everyone, welcome to whileimtraveling.com. We recently visited Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, and in this video I will be giving you a tour of our room at the Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda. It was between the Bahia Principe hotels or the Rio hotels for me, since I stayed at a Rio hotel before in Jamaica. But after much research, we decided to go with the Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda. We paid for airport pickup and drop off, and we were picked up in a minivan. It was only the two of us plus the driver. After arriving at the hotel while checking in, we were greeted with a welcome beverage.
Coco Loco con Banana Mama.
After check-in, we were escorted to our room by the bellhop. We were booked in Villa 96 on the third floor. Guys, there are no elevators, so you have to take the stairs if you want to be on the second or third floor. And don't worry, from what I could see, the buildings only go up to 3 stories. We booked the Junior Suite Deluxe, which comes with either a king or double canopy beds. And just so you are aware, the covering for the canopy does not cover the entire bed, it only goes part way. The mini fridge was stocked with 2 bottled waters, 3 bottles of sodas, 2 beers, and some nuts. They did restock the beverages each day if any was taken out, but they did not restock the nuts. We had a small patio which gave us a view of one of the Rio hotels. Overall, the room was great. At first, though, we had a problem finding plugs to charge our devices, And when I asked one of the housekeepers, he showed me one behind the dresser where the TV was and one behind the lampstand, which means I would have to pull the furniture away to get to them. There was one behind the lamp on the dresser, and we later found one in the bathroom next to the hair dryer. The plugs were able to fit my Samsung fast charger. The next thing is that the reception on the TV wasn't great, and there wasn't a guide on it to make the channels easy to find. And I'm not sure if the blankets in the closets were clean because the first one I took down had a hairball on it, so we requested fresh ones. But those were minor issues. In the next video, I will give you guys a tour of the hotel and the amenities. Thank you for watching.